Toffee Latte, Cafe Mocha, Espresso Martini, Caramel Cappuccino. The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker lets you create delicious coffeehouse drinks in one simple touch. Be your own barista, brewing rich espressos, aromatic cappuccinos, and decadent lattes in minutes. The 15 bars of pressure and automatic milk frother ensure fabulous results. To begin, fill the water reservoir and slide it into the unit. Pour the milk of your choice in the milk reservoir. Next, place the single or double shot filter inside the portafilter, depending on the type and size of your beverage. Add the espresso grounds, tamping them down firmly, and attach the portafilter to the unit. Place your cup under the brew head and aim the frothed milk dispensing tube towards the center of your cup. If making espresso, use the height adjustment tray for smaller demi-tasse cups. Adjust the froth amount to match your choice of beverage or foam preference. And using the one-touch preset buttons, select your desired beverage and size by pushing the corresponding button. Voila! The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker does the rest. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker, bringing the coffeehouse experience home.
At Best Reviews, we help shoppers find the best products on the market. We take popular items and put them to the test, just like you would use them at home, to see if they deliver what the manufacturer promises. This way, you have all the information you need before you buy. Today, we're trying out the Stilosa espresso machine from DeLonghi. The brand markets this model as an affordable, easy-to-use, entry-level home espresso machine with a built-in milk frother that can prepare your favorite cafe-quality drinks at home, even if you don't have any espresso know-how. Here's a recap of our pros and cons. First, the pros. The DeLonghi Stilosa espresso machine is affordable and easy to use. Though it might take a few tries for a complete novice to get a good handle on the machine, it's very straightforward to set up and use, and we think anyone would be comfortable using it. The taste of the espresso was nicely balanced and smooth, and making drinks was a quick process. We thought the Stilosa looks nice enough to have displayed on a kitchen countertop, and we love the minimal footprint, which is noteworthy for an espresso machine. Now the cons. Though we found the Stilosa easy to use, we had to read through the directions a few times as we were setting it up, even though the setup itself was straightforward. The machine casing is plastic, but the high shine black color and brushed metal elements give it a higher end look, and we felt like the machine was sturdy. We had trouble removing the filter cups if they were misaligned, so be sure to double check this before using. While there was some noise from the machine, we've tested similar espresso makers that are louder than this one. The bottom line. The DeLonghi Stilosa is an efficient, user-friendly manual espresso machine. It's an attractive kitchen addition that doesn't take up too much countertop space, and we enjoyed the taste of the espresso drinks we made and liked that they didn't take long to make. We recommend this machine as the best bang for your buck for anyone who wants to make cafe-quality espresso, lattes, or cappuccinos at home.
Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison video with these 3 coffee grinders. I've been grinding a bunch of coffee. I'm going to show you the results that I've come up with. Mr. Coffee, the Cuisinart, and this OXO. So these 2 are like a flat Burr grinder. This is a conical grinder. I'll tell you right now, I love this grinder. This one's the loudest. This one I don't think did the best grind. So these 2, the hoppers hold the same amount of coffee. This one holds a lot more coffee. This one's got a stainless steel. I love this stainless steel that holds the coffee grounds. This eliminates a ton of the static electricity. My biggest complaint with these 2 was the amount of static electricity that builds up on these containers where you get the ground coffee. And they're just not the easiest to pour out of. This one ended up being, you can pour that right into your coffee maker. And then same with this one. I just ended up making a kind of a mess with both of these. But these, you just end up with a lot of static electricity around and the coffee sticking to it and the lid. I guess you could have it come out, leave the lid on and kind of get it out that area. Okay, so I've taken these apart. Here's the Burr grinders. See how these are kind of flat? This is the part that grinds the coffee. And same with down here on the Cuisinart. There's the other half of that Cuisinart that does the grinding. This is a conical Burr grinder. See how that's like a cone? You can take this out and you can see it even better. Now they do say that the conical ones are better for like espresso and finer grinds, where these are better around the medium and coarse. But I found this one did a pretty good job with kind of all the settings. And it was the quietest of the bunch. So the controls, this one's a little different. These are seconds. And you got to kind of play around with it to figure out how many seconds. You figure out when you press the button, that's what starts it. This is a lever. And then once you find it, you got to start. You press the start button, and then it goes off. But it stops automatically. And that corresponds to how many cups you're going to fix if you're doing a medium grind. Same with this one. This one's got this. This is the coarse selector. Coarse, medium, fine. And then this is how many cups it's going to brew. And then you just press the button when you're ready to start. And it stops. All of them start and stop automatically. Stop automatically. They're kind of on a timer. They're just going to grind for a little while and then stop, corresponding to whenever the selector is. So the way you select the coarse or grind, so there's fine. You got to turn the whole bean hopper that corresponds with that line. And the Cuisinart is the same way. I like how this rotates. This one rotates better than this one. This one is a little different. I'll start. Pressing the button, pressing the button, pressing the button. Okay, so I don't have much coffee, but let's try to do a grind with each one. That one's the loudest. The loudest by far. This one's not too loud. This one's just so much louder than the rest. I'll show you that static electricity. So see, here's your coffee. This one is so I've been grinding a lot of coffee. Good thing is I'm going to be able to save this coffee. So I was thoroughly impressed with the OXO. So here is kind of like a medium course. more uniform in the coarse area. Medium seemed okay. I don't think these do very well with the fine. And here we have the Mr. Coffee. Mr. Coffee and the Cuisinart kind of in the same boat. The Cuisinart probably does a little better job at coarse. These kind of all seem the same. Not much distinction at all. Again, over here, the fine's where this really shines. It's a very nice fine. And that was only a medium fine. The medium looks really well. Some inconsistencies with the medium. It's not the same amount of inconsistencies as the Cuisinart. And the same amount as the Mr. Coffee. And Mr. Coffee is sneaky. They hide that brush. And thanks everybody for watching.